Welcome to Funda CompuPath, where we solve certain problems using certain computer application methods. This is Computer Applications Technology, Paper 1, June 2025 question paper. For you to be able to answer these questions, you may need to have the documents that are related to this question paper. Without any waste of time, let's get started. Question 2.4. In this video, we are going to answer all the questions below 2.4 until 2.7 or until the end of question 2. So right now, we are going to focus on question 2.4. The most important thing, we need to follow the instructions. Change the text and the image below the text question of vraag 2.4 to appear as shown in the text below. So how do we solve this problem? Or how do we answer this question? So what we need to do, we need to move these texts here. We need to move this text here because we have to make sure that it appears as shown in the question paper. Then we have to move this G here. Now it has to look like this. It has to look like this. But now we have to change the shape. We have to highlight, and then we have to go to format picture or picture format. Then you click crop here. Crop to shape. Crop to shape, because it has to look as it is shown in the question paper. Then we are going to choose star 10 points. Here we go. It should look like this. And it goes further to say, note, the image and the text should move as one object. Now, this is what we need to do. We have to click this part here. We have to click this text, this G. The text box of G. Then you press Control and hold. Then you click the image, because the instruction says, note, the image and the text should move as one object. Then we go to shape format. Shape format. Then there's a small arrow here next to group. Then you click group. So now you see they can move together. In other words, the G and the image can now move together. So we have to click this part, click the text box of these words, and then you press Control again. Then you click the image. Once they are both selected like this, you go to shape format again. Then there's a small icon next to group. You're going to do the very same thing that we did. Then you click group. So now the image and the words can move together without any problem. We are done. Now let's move to question 2.5. It says find the text question of Vraag 2.5 and insert the data from the two-team spreadsheet found in your examination folder as a linked object. We need to follow these instructions. We need to go back to our two stats document. We need to locate question of Vraag 2.5. The question says, below it, insert the data from two-team spreadsheet found in your examination folder. As I've said, that in order for you to answer these questions, you may need to have that particular folder or those documents that are related to this question paper. This is what we are going to do. Right now, we need to insert. We need to insert, then under insert, you have to move to here under text. But we are going to choose object. Then we click object. We click object. Then we have to click create from file. Create from file. Then now we have to browse. The file that we are looking for is this one. Two-team is the one, is the file that we are looking for. Then you have to click it and say insert. And say insert. Then you have to click link to a file. Click link to a file. Then OK. This is how it should look like. We are now done. Now we need to move to 2.6. 2.6 is saying apply any three-line page border to appear on each side of the document pages. This is what we are going to do. We have to go to design. We need to click design. Page borders. Then we have to select box. Make sure that you are under page border. Then under setting, you need to click box. Then under style, you need to find 3 lines. Here are the 3 lines. You have to choose them like this. Apply any 3-line page border to appear on each side of the document, Then make sure that under apply is whole document. Then you click OK. Then your document should now look like this. We are done. Then question 2.7 says, find the text box at the end of the document and do the following. Find the text box at the end of the document and do the following. Insert the total number of words as a field in the format. As a field in the format, it's important. As a field in the format. First, second, and third. Then change the direction of the text to horizontal. Let's try to solve this problem. In other words, we have to click insert. Then we have to come to quick paths. Then under quick paths, we have to click field because the instruction says insert the total number of words as field in the format. First, second, and third. Then under categories, we need to choose document information. Under categories, document information. Then after that, under field names, we have to choose num words. Then under format, we have to choose first, second, and third according to the instructions. Then we click OK. It has to look like this. Now it goes further to say change the direction of the text to horizontal. This is what we need to do. We need to go to shape format. You click shape format. In other words, make sure that your text box is still highlighted like this. Then you have to go to text direction. Then you choose horizontal like this. Then you may like open your text box a little bit, but there's no instruction about that. It has to look like this. Then you are done with question 2.